It's a full toolbox, eh? Full toolbox. Hello, my people. Trust you're doing good. This is your friend, the Z Traveler, the Travel Commando. Guys, today I am in a compound within Choma. It's a typical compound, and I did come here to a friend. That guy right over there, he does some metal work, so I wanted him to fix the platform for my spotlight, but also to fix the platform for the fire extinguisher. And yeah, so we'll get down to that. If you're new on my channel, guys, please consider subscribing, and welcome to this channel. Welcome back to this channel if you're a returning subscriber. And it appears I have some good friends here. Yeah, so this is where I am, guys. This is where I am, in the compound of Choma. Choma. So let's get down to work. Yeah, so like I said, this is a good friend of mine, Mono. And Mono, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Good. Again, nakuleterani onda yano.
Okay.
So I want us to fix the same thing I told you, the spotlight and also the kagad. Yeah. So but can you just kosa? Straightforward. Tunatujaira.
Yeah.
All right. No, that's good then. Tenti yambe job boss. Yeah. All right. Just for those that do not know you, Mono, what do you do? Much design. And well done.
Panga ma windows, ma gate. Vambiri che vamefuniko chokelewa.
Yeah. And sika face kene mwasebenza hapo baba hivi
hapa almost in 10 times.
10 times. Yeah, so stuff that have to do with metal work or that on the bike, well, he does that. But primarily this bike is handled by Smart Motors, servicing everything. But what Smart Motors can't do, this gentleman gets to do, especially the metal work, really. So let's get down to the job. So now what we're doing is we're trying to fix back this platform right here and put it back here, just like it was before the fall. Those of you that do not know, at a crazy fall deep in the bush in Kalomo district, and a month later now, I think it's about time for me to put back the fire extinguisher platform right there. And of course I will need to replace this. Look at that, the color has changed. This is supposed to be red, but then it's turning into yellow. I think the sun has done its job. It doesn't have the top, so it's quite useless. So this one will have to go. I need to replace it. And there, that one also will have to be replaced, the fire extinguisher, but otherwise the platform is still okay. And that's what we're doing today. So the other thing we're doing is we are also just trying to restore the platform for the spotlight. It also broke. I think the impact of the fall left only but a thread. And yesterday it just fell while I was riding. It was just dangling by the cable. So yeah, so that's the spotlight right here, the right one. It's supposed to be right there like that, just like it is this other side. That's how it's supposed to be also this other side. Pardon the bike, guys, it's rainy season, and you can tell she's quite dirty. She needs a good bath. Look at the rims there. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. It's a full toolbox, eh? Full toolbox. So tujandie tuma rivets. These are the rivets. These are the rivets. So these are the ones that are going to pin that platform right there, so that it's well plugged on here. And then let's see how that one goes. So mukafa kachiuko.
Yeah, mpaka ka drill bit.
Oh, a drill bit. So this is the one that will go. You will drill in there. So hapa plan izankala bwanji izankala kukata limpisa nangu kazafupi kacheso.
Keve katiche moshi. Yani natalisha chego yenga so.
Omwe mnata limpisa. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. But situzasiana but.
Vale.
Yes.
Mwana muri chemu.
Chiche bueno boss muri che.
Yakaliko maonda.
Yakaliko. Yakaliko chabo chako ma service. Yeah. All right, guys, so that's just about it. Mono has done a fantastic job. Look at that. So this is done. Of course, this guy needs to be cleaned. You can see some mud there where the bike really had fallen. Look at that right there. We need to get a wash. And the spotlight is back on. I'm so excited about that. Look at the front view. So yeah, that is fine and square. That is fine and square. So right about now, I'm just gonna ride through Choma town. Well, let's see how the mood is in Choma town, CBD that is. I'm going to a place very far today. I think I'm gonna do about 70 k's going to Kalomo district, not really Kalomo town, but just before Kalomo, somewhere around Mokwela. I'm gonna branch to my ride over the railway, and some 8 kilometers in the rural part of that area to a commercial farm. Bwana Mono, ziko mo. Okay. Mapira nchito hivyo. Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah, muza checking, I'm sure I think. Come on too. Tizaona. All right, cheers. Thank you. Tenti gazi cheers. And we're on the road again. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna need to make a stop at Easy Home, and then from there gonna ride into town. I'm happy with the job that Mono did. Working on the bike slowly and getting it back in shape is always a delight. So this is of course Livingston Road, and we're going to the right. If you come here, if you reach this part, you know you are now in Choma. Welcome to Choma, fellows. Welcome to Choma. The first filling station would be on your right. And that's Lake Petroleum. Lake Petroleum. Okay, so this is where I am now. Easy Home. I'm right here. I found this gentleman again. This young fellow right here. He's the one that, if you watch one of my videos, I think it's titled Choma Has Got Talent. I featured that young fellow. Where is he now? Let me see. I think it's right there. Oh, he's right there. Let me say hi to him. Ulichabwin? Long time. Which type of perform nale? Okay, that's good. Yeah. School mnavali. Oh, ikavokwana. Kuenda ku school. Upunzira kuti? Commission. Oh. Oh. Vanhu vambiri vanakutamba ija video ile tinaishira chani. Vanakuuza uja muzungu, si unakumanena muzungu. Muzungu. Anakutamba ibereze ku America. Hapa wazivika pavanja. Okay. Ningera mkati fesi nione vene nzatenga. All right. Okay. Let's get inside. I said hi to the little champion. The young champion. At least he's still going to school. It would concern me if he stopped. But wow, as it is, he said he's still going to school. So that's good for me. Let's get inside and of course see what we can get. All right, cheers. It looks like my time at Easy Home is somehow being prolonged. I'm going to make a stop at Smart Motors here and check if new bikes. Okay, GRZ bikes. Okay, and check if my clutch cable is in. I'd ordered the clutch cable. So this is Smart Motors Choma. Let me show you. Let me show you right there. Smart Motors, right over there. So now these are the tires. This is the tire I was talking about. So this is a 41018. 41018. It pretty much looks similar to the 120 which is on my bike. So this is an on-road. This is an on-road. So I think I might just go for the 41018. For the 41018 tire, and we should be good there. Anyways, yeah, pretty much. Let me say hi to my people inside. Oh dear, don't they look nice? They look nice, for real. These are GRZ machines, Suzuki. All right. Knock, knock, knock. Buona Victor. Tirice, murice. Busy. Aye. ndimo muchinja matires.
Natenga contract sichaavance ya service pressure sorting.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Anacheza kutiita.
Mali vatichoka hii.
Ati?
Wafuna ina. Ati ima wakwisa ati kaendaje pamoja.
Oh, India ameni ya ex-spouse.
Yeah, ex-spouse.
Inaoneka clean, eh? At least it looks new. Inafika pachani. Oh, see here. Oh, yeah, that actually bought Sunny. Ah, inago. For real. Oh. So, kashita so ifunika yaka.
But I think you got it up there.
Oh. Okay. Manje hapa yoneka muli busy. Tinga chizapo chita chene next day. Nifuna chene yone kati. About to see you. Ate? I'm busy, che. Look, I'm thinking of going to Mukwela. Can you imagine? Hey, ndio. I don't look happy. I'm busy, che. My head is like I'm calculating a lot of calls coming in. It's crazy, you know. But I'll create some time, nicely. All right. Chiniche boss muliche. Ah, we chidonsa, say. Icho chimonich. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cheers. Done here. I am now going to pass through Choma CBD and pretty much looking forward to see the mode of town. What are we gonna see? Well, let's go find out. So we have turned right. At first glance, you can tell that it's a typical work day here in Choma, and of course cars parked on the sides and their owners or users in their offices and pretty much going about their day. So what a wonderful cool day in the heart of Southern Province, Choma.